How to apply for unemployment in Georgia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment in Georgia, ensuring you know the steps to access assistance. To apply for unemployment in Georgia, visit the Georgia Department of Labor website. Prepare your social security number, driver's license, and employment history. Create an account or log in to file your claim online. Provide the required details about your previous employment and reasons for unemployment. After filing, be sure to certify your benefits every 2 weeks to continue receiving payments. With this information, you can navigate the unemployment applications process successfully in Georgia.